I went with my husband the other day to the gun range and I shot his Keltec for the first time. If you'd like to see how that went, keep watching this video. This is a Keltec Pmr30. I'm getting ready to shoot this at the indoor gun range now. Okay, so this is how I did on my first round shooting the Keltec. And let me just say, I do like this gun. It is very smooth. It's a 22 Magnum, so it has more kick to it than an actual 22. So I do like it, and it's like really loud. It's not like a pum pum. You can hear it. It has a nice little decent sound to it. I haven't been to the gun range in a while.
Yeah.
So my main focus for me is not to just hit the bullseye, but it's really to at least get on the paper and to work on how I'm gripping and holding the firearm. So I have my husband there with me, and he gives me a lot of nice helpful tips. His channel is Cap Customs, and I will put a link in the description. He's very knowledgeable about firearms, and he really takes it serious when he goes to the gun range, and he has quite a variety of firearms, and he knows how to repair his own and customize them. So it's a really cool channel. I'm proud of him. And I had like a jam, so I had to just put the bullet to the side that was jammed up. So that's something you want to also keep a lookout for. I think it's called a failure to fire, and it has like a little dent in it. So you want to just get rid of that bullet.
They're starting to go all the way up to the top.
So I really do like this Keltec. I feel like it's just so smooth. It's not like super recoily. I felt like I had a good grip on it. I actually wouldn't mind having this to be my everyday carry, but my husband doesn't really suggest it, and I get it. So my everyday carry is a 9mm, and I will upload a video soon showing what my everyday carry is. But I did enjoy this Keltec.
It's just one. Oh, you can go ahead and shoot that last one.
Okay, so I'm getting a little bit better there. Like I said, I'm happy if I'm in the circle, like the whole circle, or just on the paper, period. So, you know, the more you practice and pay attention and train, you'll definitely get better. Or even practicing dry firing. That's firing with an empty gun, nothing in your magazine, and just practicing at home, working on your form, working on your stance, everything. So it's very important to make sure that you practice and train if you have time to, or if you can. I know bullets prices have went up. They're kind of coming back down some. So just do the best you can with that. Set some aside for the gun range, And then of course put your really good stuff, your hollow points and everything, keep that in your gun so you could be ready to use it, you know, to defend yourself. But when you go to the gun range, you know, just get some, I guess maybe not the top of the line stuff. As you can see, it's a very loud environment. So when you go to the range, make sure that you're wearing some really good ear protection. That is very important.
You felt when it reset?
I'm still on it.
All right.
I didn't feel a reset, but I'm still
You
holding
gotta
it.
come off of it slowly to feel the reset. You felt it?
Yeah, I heard it. It felt
All
it.
right. Everything going to the left.
It is? Okay.
Okay, you guys, so I'm all finished now, and I just really, I do like this. I feel like it was smooth. You know, you may want to try a few different firearms before you decide which one is for you, or what fits your style, or what feels comfortable in your hand. Or maybe just starting out, this would be something nice. It just really depends on what your preference is. But I just feel like it was so smooth. It felt good in my hands. So this is definitely one that I would like to shoot again if we go back to the gun range. So that does conclude this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. And again, I will have a link available to my husband's YouTube channel. And we also have holsters, and waistband holsters and belly bands for your firearms in 4 different sizes. Check out our website. I'll have a link for that available as well. Bye-bye.